Hello beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. I just want you guys to see this beautiful styles that is a modern haircut that is perfect for beautiful black women, and you can see how this cut is a playful look that we kind of frame the face nicely and always adds textures to your thin or your fine hair. And for you to really keep this look on trend, try using a light volumizing mousse and some beautiful spray to create that body and fullness with hold, because you can see how this haircut will really take many years of your age. One thing about the style, if you're really looking for a modern look, try this haircut because it's a style that is really trending right now, and it can always be easily achieved with the right style and techniques. So one thing with a style, it creates that kind of look that is easy to style, and is a haircut that won't take much time in front of the mirror to style. And one thing with the style is always use those texturizing spray to add the definition to this hair. I just love this haircut on the screen. This is so beautiful, and the style, it's a style that will fit off face shape. It's that kind of creative haircut for women that want to rock their haircut with ease, and we can see how it can always create that kind of texture on your hair. And this haircut is that kind of favorite hairstyle that every black woman out there will like. Please don't mind the noise in my background, okay? And one thing with the style is that it's a haircut that's fun, and is that flexible way to really rock a short haircut, always giving your hair that kind of soft detail. You can see how it's a perfect shape for someone nervous, because if you really want to try first short haircut for the first time, so this haircut will allow for that kind of style that we want boost your confidence, and it's a style that you will always want to play with, and it will always make you look so beautiful, I swear. So with this in mind, let me let you guys to please serve out the styles we have. God bless you guys. I can look at my cocoa, what do you? I'm feeling your ocean no more. Come look at your trololo, my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us so happy. I used to do it in the morning. I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Come look at your trololo, my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us so happy. I used to do it in the morning. I am a polymer.
coco, what do you? I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you are telling my body won't need to. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in my mind. I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you are telling my body won't need to. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in my mind. I am a polymer. What do you? I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you are telling my body won't need to. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in my mind. I am a polymer.